This is the question I solved to my students during my online mathematics classes. There's a question that says find B if B plus 2B is equals to 30. And this question is simple. Just write solution. So what we are going to do is the question is B plus 2B is equals to 30. So the question says find B. So what we do is we add B plus 2B, that is 3B. I told my student to treat it as if they are solving normal numbers, just adding of normal numbers, because there is invisible one here. So yeah, so what we do is now it will be equal to 30. So what we do here is cross multiply by 3, cross multiply by 3. Please cancel this. So B is equals to 3 here, 1, 3 in 30 is 10. Stop wasting time. Stop wasting time.